Greetings of the day. This video especially I have made for those students who are going to appear their board examination. Some of the important questions of all the chapters from my experience and seeing the last few years question, the pattern and the tradition, how some questions are repeated of most of the chapters, it can be predicted. So, students, I will be telling you some of the questions from every chapter I will try to touch, and believe me, you can see my video again after your maths examination. Nearly 60 to 70% will come, whatever I suggest. May this word give you encouragement to study this thoroughly. So, let us start. First is the real number. From real number, basically you have to see certain topics that are most important, like one we always comes to find the HCF and LCM using Euclid division algorithm. So you have to find the HCF that may come for either 1 marks or 2 marks. Here you have to use algorithm to find the HCF. Then the most likely questions may come of the use of the lemma, like proving of odd numbers. Every positive odd integers is of certain forms, or even integers are certain form. Just take the help of a is equal to bq plus r and form a relation. See the limits of r and then try to solve it. May this question be one of the favorite this time. Like you can see in exercise 1.1 example, exercise 2, and similarly you can see question 4 that use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So these questions from my side is very important. Next, from this chapter, everybody predicts and likely to come, that is, prove that root 3 is irrational number. Root 3 irrational number, root 2 irrational number. In this way, it may come root 2, root 3, root 5. So the procedures are same. You need to follow the steps. Instead of 3, you will write 2, instead of 2 or 5, and go on. And the contradiction method will help you to solve this problem. It may come either for the 4 marks or 3 marks. If it is come for 4 marks, then another one question will be added, like that prove root 3 is irrational, as well as prove 2 plus root 3 is also irrational. So take the help of this, and this is the most important question this time. So two questions, one is the Euclid division lemma, and this from this chapter. Generally 6 marks questions are being asked, and you can see also terminating and non-terminating the decimals. It is very easy, you have studied in class 9, just see once. So these are the chapters from first chapters. Next let us go to the polynomials. Here certain questions are always asked, like if the zeros, one zero is known, what will be the other zeros or their relations. So such type of questions let me discuss in this manner, like you can see this exam page number 31, that is example number 4, that is find a quadratic polynomial, the sum and the product of which zeros are given. So you need to plus sum of the zeros, product of the zeros, and form the quadratic polynomial. So this way this type of questions may come for 1 marks, but the longer question that is likely to hit the paper is basically of this nature, like question number 3. You can see question number 3, that obtain all other zeros of this biquadratic polynomial is given, and two of his zeros are known, other two zeros you need to find. Last year you can predict, you can see that from the optional this question was asked, question number 4. So this time also we cannot say that certain questions may not come, but if they are going to ask from this chapter, these two questions from the long questions may come. So please see these two questions very carefully. Also, you for that you can see example number 9. You can see this is also biquadratic. Two of the zeros are known, so need to find the factor, divide it with the given polynomials and get its quotient, and again factorize it. So this way, so we have touched 2 and 3 from the pairs of linear equation in two variable. Here generally they give 3 marks question, and that is that find whether it is unique solution, no solution, or infinite many solution. For that you have to remember the table, that is this one, and accordingly you have to work, that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2, or c1 by c2, how they are equal. If they are equal, then what will happen? If the first one a1 by a2 not equal, then what will happen? These conditions you please see it, because from 3 marks these questions will ask. Anyone cannot be said that which one is likely to come. Examples are done, you can see. Also this time maybe the graphical representations of pair of linear equation may come. Pair of linear equation in two variables, graphical representation may come. So for that you need to find the points that to be plotted from the first equation and points to be plotted from the second equation. Plot it. If they ask where they intersect, find it. Or if the nature they tell that they are parallel or they do not meet each other, or they intersect at a point, generally accordingly you work on this. But most likely that graphical methods may be asked because it is silent for longer period of time. Also I have told you about the conditions, that is a1 by a2, all this. So this you please see. Also regarding that formations of pair of linear equation in two variables, or solving by the methods of cross multiplication, that is also one part. But generally I believe that this time the method may not be asked. They may give you certain type of questions, like it may come in optional, because optional questions maybe will be there here, that you will solve these, or you solve this type, also you may solve of this type. So you must learn two method, that is important, either cross multiplication and elimination method. Regarding the word problems, that is very difficult to predict, but as far as the pattern says, CBSE generally gives those word problems which are practical in nature, like this taxi charges in a city, or 5 year hence the age of. So this type of age problem, taxi charges. Then another one you can see here, that is like your daily life problems. Basically I have seen that they used to ask basically most, you can see this, that is the place A and B are 100, that is page number, you can see page number 63, and that is question number 4. This type, distance and time where you have to find. Then number 5, area. So these are the some questions, if you want to practice, if you have not practiced word problem, so please touch these type of problems. Area, then time and distance, then some age problems. These three practically they are asking. Also they may ask this time the upstream downstream questions, because it is also silent for long time. So because this may hit for 4 marks, because you have another pair of linear equation in two variable where you need to solve by taking another assuming as u and v, then again you have to solve by the value of u and v and put it the original value and get it again solved. So this, if it's hit the paper, it may be for 4 marks. So generally you practice this, that is from the linear pair of linear equation in two variable. Again, from quadratic you need to know the nature of the roots. So generally that when discriminant or b square minus 4ac is 0, is roots are equal, and basis on that concept they may give you to find the k value. So that's one question I like to show you, that is, or you can just see here also what problems are there from quadratic also. They may give you in, or you can see I basically one of the favorite questions I have seen in most of the CBSE papers is that time and distance paper, time and distance problem. So you can see this also. Find the nature by completing square method. Sometime if they want to trouble you little bit, those students who are not knowing the method by means there are actually, basically you can say that there are three methods. One is factorization, one by completing square, and another one is by using formulas. So generally formulas everybody know it, and factorization also, basically the middle term splitting is possible, but completing square most of the students find it tough. So sometimes they mention this completing square, so please learn completing square methods also. And what I like to show you, that is what example number 8 you can see, that is find the roots of the equation by the method of completing the square. So this is one of the important question. They may mention the method, but hope it will not be mentioned, but we have to prepare ourselves. Again, here also you have upstream downstream problem. Example number 15. So this time I don't know, I think some question may come from this type where you need to work. And suppose I told you that root, so find it, so find the discriminant of you can see this example number 18, whether they are real or not. If it is equal, then what will happen? Find the value of k if the two roots are equal. You can see in this question number 2 exercise 4.4. So in this way you have to find the value of k. That means you will take the help of the discriminant. So discriminant one will come to solve, and another question will come to solve the what problems. So these are the questions that are likely to come. Okay, next video I will be preparing